In this video, I'd like to talk a little bit about the known archetypes that will be covered in the following lectures in the Systems Archetypes course. If we start out trying to do something, we're either trying to fix a problem or promote growth. And these two situations are the goal-seeking and the growth archetypes that were presented in the previous lectures. Depending upon what we're trying to do, this basic archetype can evolve in a number of particular ways, so that while we're trying to fix a problem, there could initially be linear growth which slows over time. And that slowness over time could actually lead to a tendency to settle for less than what the initial goal was to begin with. Or our attempt to fix the problem, we could actually overshoot the goal. Or things could oscillate back and forth sort of endlessly in that we overshoot the goal and then we try to bring it back and we undershoot and we overshoot back and forth on an ongoing basis. Or the fix that we apply actually creates a problem elsewhere. Or when we apply the fix, things get better and then they get worse. And the underlying cause for what we're trying to deal with really isn't being addressed, though at times we actually develop a dependence on the fix itself and become addicted to it. So those are the archetypes which build out from the simple goal-seeking structure. From the growth structure, the growth which we're trying to promote could lead to decline elsewhere, or partners for growth could become adversaries, or the initial growth that we manage to promote begins to slow over time. And the reason that it slows over time might be due to limited resources shared by other people, or it might be that there is more than one limit that needs to be addressed, or the limit is insufficient capacity to actually promote the growth that we're trying to pursue. And when there is insufficient capacity and it takes time to develop, we may actually be willing to let the standard slip and settle for less. So this is the set of archetypes that will be discussed in the lectures in this course. For each one of these archetypes will be presented a causal diagram form and a simulation model that you can interact with to get a better sense of how the relationships that form that archetype actually bring about the characteristic pattern of behavior that you'll experience for that archetype. And for each of those archetypes, we present the known reliable strategies for dealing with the archetype once you understand that that's the archetype that is you're experiencing and need to figure out how to deal with. So we'll take it one archetype at a time. We'll begin with the simple balancing structure, the simple reinforcing structure, and we will build relationships on that piece by piece and show you the implications of the relationships as they develop, so that while the archetypes may initially be a bit overwhelming or confusing, you'll see that as we build them out piece by piece, they're actually relatively simple, and as I said before, just some number of goal-seeking and growth structures interacting together at the same time. So this is where we're going in the future lectures in this course, and again, I hope you find it most meaningful. See you in the next video. Bye.